Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A parish court judge has given the management of our hotel in New Kingston until tomorrow to hand over closed-circuit television CCTV footage relating to the party former Agriculture Minister Floyd Green attended last month on a no-movement day. The order was handed down on Friday when lawyers for the police high command and the hotel went to court. Sandy Williams tells us more.
TVJ News was informed that the judge stayed the order after the attorney for the hotel requested that the police tell his client in what format they want the video footage. The Jamaica Constabulary Force requested time to consult with its cybercrime experts. The R Hotel was given 5 days within which to provide the footage to the cops who are investigating whether Mr. Green and the other individuals at the party should be charged with breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. The hotel's attorney, Peter Champagny, told TVJ News that his client is prepared to cooperate with the police in the investigation. Mr. Green resigned as minister on September 15 after a video was circulated on social media showing at least 13 people closely gathered at the party without face masks. Last week, Deputy Commissioner in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, said the police might not be able to bring charges against Mr. Green because of recent changes to the Disaster Risk Management Act. DCP Bailey said an amendment made to the law on August 11 gives unconditional exemption for certain categories of people. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.